Using the glue, we're going to run a bead along our front and back, trying to keep that bead of glue fairly close to the edge of the project, and doing this on both sides. Next, we're going to fold our pieces up into position. And we're going to place a clamp around the top edge. Now, the critical things to watch out for. We need to have the top edges of each side perfectly flush. This one here, we're about a 32nd of an inch off. We need to correct that. Additionally, we want about a 32nd of an inch overhang where our front and back are overhanging over the sides, because we're going to come back and flush cut that off later. If necessary, you can use the rubber mallet to help tap it into place. Once all of the clamps are on, you can wipe the glue. Now that we have assembled the four sides, we've cleaned up all our glue, and we've made sure that the clamps are snug but not too tight, and everything lines up correctly. We need to wait 24 hours for the glue to dry.